Okay, guys, this is the bottom, the hottest challenge ever. Okay, it's about 3,000. Yeah.
Killing them damn flies.
Okay, got bag of hot Cheetos. They're really, really spicy.
Did she kill him? Did you see that? Like that caught them flies.
Good. I can stand them. Other people can't stand them. Shut up. It's the hottest Cheetos challenge. I'm gonna see how many I can eat. I turn it on fire. I'm telling you, turn it on fire. Here's my dog. Mama, tell Bentley to get down.
Bentley, get down. Get down. Push him down with your hand.
Can't.
I thought you want to watch this movie.
I am watching it. Bentley. So good. I need to try this. Some kids, y'all need to try this. It's spicy. Let it go. I'm gonna get the Takis. Takis are good. They're really, really spicy. Alright. Look how red my tongue is. Guys, make sure you subscribe down below. Spicy hot. Who dares me to eat the whole bag? It's hot. That's really bad. So hot.
I thought she got bit, but that must have been where that gun backfired on her.
Okay, make sure y'all. I'm so hot. Oh. My fingers red, so it's hot there. Plus, I'm not cheating. I don't have nothing to drink. Guys, I'm gonna have to end it here. Hi! Guys, whatever. Oh my god!
That's okay now. I can't hear it. I can't cut it up no higher now.
Okay, guys, make sure you subscribe down below.